Another one.
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pottawattamie County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington
We're
County,
back.
western Douglas County, northeastern Cass County, and southeastern Nebraska until 10 p.m.
Until 10 p.m.
9:34 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Walnut Creek Recreation Area, or 4 miles southwest of Pavilion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near eastern Omaha, Bellevue, Papillion, Ralston, La Vista, Chilco, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Exotic, in South Omaha.
Here we go.
The thunderstorm was located near Walnut Creek Recreation Area, or 4 miles southwest of Pavilion, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near eastern Omaha, Bellevue, Papillion, Ralston, La Vista, Chilco, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, Walnut Creek Recreation Area, Exotic, in South Omaha around 9:40 p.m. Northwestern Council Bluffs, Carter Lake, Midtown, and Benson around 9:45 p.m. Florence and Etzel Airfield around 9:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Crescent. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 48 and 68. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 439 and 4.
And it's from Nebraska and Iowa.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for county and southeastern Nebraska.
Oh no, Bolt. 3 tornadoes. That's not a good sign. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's weird. That's 7 alerts. Let's do the TV with EAS number 7.
Expect to watch less of a tornado threat here, but hail and damaging winds to watch here as well. So let's go and check out some of the tower cameras. So let's go with
9:40 p.m. Northwestern Council Bluffs.
I think they're not done yet. I think they're not done yet.
Here we are on the bench with the Mark II FPV acid system. Yes, and we're going to be jumping into
Interstate 29 between mile markers 48
but we are going to be seeing between
mile markers 1 and 14.
We have all this going on. Shock of East Texas.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Louisiana and Arkansas.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southwestern Iowa and southeastern Nebraska.
All along this line.
Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Nebraska, Cass, Douglas, Sarpy, and Washington, and Pottawattamie, Iowa.